Alright, now that we have the simple scenes running, let's get the city scenes running. So these scenes have avatars with lip syncing and emotive animations and movement. So I'm going to follow the README again. So first thing we need is Cinemachine. So let's go to the package manager, and in the Unity registry, let's look for Cinemachine. There it is. So I'm going to install that. Okay. Now Cinemachine also requires a scripting define symbol. So I'm going to copy this, use Cinemachine. This will enable our scripts that deal with Cinemachine. Go into Edit, Player Settings, Project Settings, Player. Let's go down to our compile symbols and add a new one, paste that in, use Cinemachine, apply. Excellent. Once we have that applied, go back to our README. Now, these sections describe the importation of the starter assets for third and first person controllers. You can not do that unless you wish to, as starter assets, the scripts that you use, have already been included in AI Studio. So I'm going to skip through that. Starter assets, then come to UMA 2, Unity Multipurpose Avatar. This is a free asset, so we need to import that. I'm going to click here. So you'll find that in the asset store. So I'm going to click open in Unity. Manager comes up. UMA 2. I already have it downloaded, so I'm just going to import that into the project here. Once UMA comes up, everything's checked. I'm just going to click import. Okay, once UMA is imported, let's go back to our README. Next package is a free asset city package. This just creates our little city game world. So I'm going to click there, bring me to the Unity Asset Store, and then once again click open in Unity. There's our city package. I already have it downloaded, so I will import it into this game. When the contents come up, leave everything checked. You go in a folder called Polygon City Pack, and click import. Alright, city package installed. Back to our README. Next, this is a paid asset. You could probably try to get the scenes working without it. But let's go to the asset store. Salsa Lip Sync Suite. $45. Let me get a coupon. I'm going to open it in Unity. It always wants to update, so let me update and import. There's our Crazy Minnow Studio. Salsa, everything's checked. I'm going to import that now. Salsa installed. Back to the README. Next dependency is, this is a set of Mixamo animations that we can't bundle with the project. So, click on that link. Got the package on OneDrive. I'm going to download this. And then back to Unity, Assets, Import Package, Custom Package. And our downloads, we see DI AI Studio Mixamo 100. Let me click on that. Paris Interactive AI Studio, you'll see down here we've got some models. Import. So that accounts for dependencies that we need. So let's try one of the scenes here. I'm going to choose city scene. This is 3 non-player characters just chatting amongst themselves. So let's see here. Let's just watch the dialogue action manager will kind of show us the queue of actions as we play the game. Just for fun. Alright, so let's get some screen space here and play this scene.
Jenny, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Professor John. It's great to meet another computer science enthusiast at this conference. How are you finding the presentations so far?
The presentations have been really interesting, Jenny and Professor John. I particularly enjoyed the one on natural language processing. I feel like AI is such a rapidly evolving field,
so
and it's exciting to learn about the latest advancements.
Then that concludes our installation of the dependencies needed to run the city scenes, except for the Avatar War scene, which we'll do in the next video. This one adds Ready Player Me.